In this video, you'll learn how to create mailing labels in Google Docs. We'll go from a blank document to a ready-to-print sheet of labels step by step so you can save time and avoid manually writing each address. First, open Google Docs in your browser. You can start from your drive or go directly to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're there, either open a new blank document or use an existing one if you already have some address information ready. It doesn't really matter which you choose because the label setup will happen through an add-on, not in the main document itself. Next, we're going to install a Labels add-on. At the top of the Google Docs window, look for the menu bar and click on Extensions. In the drop-down that appears, hover over or select Add-ons and then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new panel or window where you can browse tools that extend Google Docs. Here, use the search bar to look for a label add-on. A popular option is something like Avery Label Merge, but there are several similar tools available. Type the name into the search box, press enter, and then click on the add-on in the results to open its details page. Take a quick look at the description, screenshots, and user reviews to make sure it does what you need, especially that it supports the label format or brand you plan to use. When you're ready, click the install button. Google will ask you to choose the account you want to use and then show you a list of permissions the add-on needs. Read through those briefly, and if you're comfortable, confirm the installation. After a few moments, the add-on will be installed and connected to your Google Docs account. Once it's installed, go back to your document. Again, click on Extensions at the top, and now you should see the new label add-on listed there. Select it, and then choose the option that starts the label creation process. The exact wording will depend on the add-on, but it's usually something like Create Labels or Start. From here, follow the on-screen instructions provided by the add-on. Typically, you'll begin by choosing a label template. This is where you match the label sheet you have, for example, a specific Avery product number or a standard label size. Taking a moment to pick the correct template is important because it ensures that the text lines up properly when you print. After you select the template, the add-on will guide you through setting up your label content. Some tools let you type addresses directly into a form. Others are designed for mail merges where you pull addresses from a Google Sheet. If you're using a spreadsheet, make sure your columns are clearly labeled like name, street, city, state, and zip, so the add-on can map them correctly. Preview the labels inside the add-on to confirm everything looks right. Check spacing, line breaks, and that each label is pulling the correct information. If something looks off, adjust the fields or your source data and refresh the preview. When you're happy with how the labels look, the add-on will usually generate a new Google Doc with your labels laid out in a grid. At that point, you can make small formatting tweaks if needed, then use the regular print option in Google Docs. Make sure your printer is loaded with the correct label sheets aligned according to the package instructions, and print a test page first if you can. I'll show you the easiest way to get consistent results. Always double check the template number, preview before printing, and start with a test print on plain paper to verify alignment. Once everything matches up, you're ready to print your full set of mailing labels directly from Google Docs.